Born on May 13, 1964, Stephen Colbert has worn many hats: comedian, writer, producer, actor, singer, political satirist, and television host. His legacy was cemented through his razor-sharp satire on The Colbert Report, 2005 to 2014, and his current role as host of CBS's The Late Show since 2015. But Colbert's journey to this throne of late-night comedy was anything but predictable. Is there anything Colbert can't make entertaining? Today, we're diving into Stephen Colbert's career, success, wealth, and family life. Like the video and let's get started. Stephen started with dreams of Shakespearean drama, studying theater at Northwestern University. But fate intervened when he discovered improvisational comedy under the legendary Del Close at Second City. There, he stood in the wings as an understudy for Steve Carell and teamed up with future collaborators Amy Sedaris and Paul Dinello. Together, they crafted comedic gems like Exit 57 and Strangers with Candy, showcasing his knack for portraying high-status idiots. Joining The Daily Show in 1997, Colbert brought to life a correspondent persona, a well-intentioned, poorly informed, high-status fool that poked fun at conservative pundits. It wasn't long before he became a standout, earning Emmy Awards for his satirical brilliance. His on-screen antics, like his faux rivalry with Steve Carell in the Even Stefan debates, made him a household name. In 2005, Colbert stepped out of Jon Stewart's shadow to helm The Colbert Report, a parody of personality-driven political talk shows like The O'Reilly Factor. As the caricature of a bombastic right-wing commentator, he redefined political satire, even roasting George W. Bush to his face at the 2006 White House Correspondents' Dinner. That bold performance catapulted him to cultural icon status, driving his show to become Comedy Central's top-rated program. After bidding farewell to his satirical alter ego in 2014, Colbert succeeded David Letterman as host of CBS's The Late Show. While retaining his quick wit, he shifted to a more authentic, politically charged style, becoming a late-night leader during the Trump era. Hosting the 69th Primetime Emmy Awards in 2017 and launching projects like the animated political series Tuning Out the News, Colbert continues to evolve his comedic reach. Born in Washington, D.C., and raised in South Carolina as the youngest of 11 siblings, Colbert's life was shaped by both tragedy and resilience. Losing his father and two brothers in a plane crash at age 10 left a void, but his mother's steadfast support and his love for fantasy worlds, particularly Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings, gave him an escape. An early-year injury dashed his hopes of becoming a marine biologist, but his passion for storytelling led him to theater beyond his comedy. Colbert's influence is wide-ranging. He's the namesake for a NASA treadmill aboard the International Space Station, a species of spider, Aptosticus stephencolberti**, and even a Ben and Jerry's ice cream flavor, Americone Dream. He's won multiple Emmys, Grammys, Peabody Awards, and was twice named one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people. Through his Catholic upbringing, Colbert learned to balance intellectual curiosity with humor, often weaving themes of faith, politics, and humanity into his work. Whether voicing a satirical super PAC, hosting congressional hearings in character, or calling for a Gaza ceasefire, Colbert's unique brand of comedy isn't just about laughs, it's about making you think. Off-screen, Colbert is a devoted family man, sharing his life in Montclair, New Jersey, with his wife, Evelyn McGee, whom he met in 1990 at the world premiere of the musical Hydrogen Jukebox during the Spoleto Festival USA in Charleston, South Carolina. At the time, Colbert was contemplating a previous relationship and had returned to his hometown for clarity. Accompanying his mother to the theater, he noticed Evie in the lobby and was immediately struck by her presence, later describing it as love at first sight. Upon introducing themselves, they discovered that they had grown up in the same area and shared mutual acquaintances, though they had never met before. This serendipitous encounter marked the beginning of their enduring relationship. The couple married on October 9, 1993, and have 3 children, a daughter, Madeline, born in 1995, and 2 sons, Peter, born in 1998, and John, born in 2002. Stephen Colbert's Montclair, New Jersey, home is a tasteful blend of classic elegance and modern luxury, reflecting his personality and status. The grand entryway welcomes guests with gleaming hardwood floors and a sweeping staircase adorned with wrought iron railings. The living room features plush seating, a grand piano, and an original painting by a celebrated contemporary artist, perhaps a nod to his love of the arts. Adjacent is a cozy library lined with dark mahogany shelves stocked with everything from The Lord of the Rings to first edition classics, alongside a custom chess set and vintage globe. The kitchen boasts state-of-the-art appliances, including a Sub-Zero refrigerator and a La Cornu range, while the adjoining dining room is illuminated by a crystal chandelier, its long oak table perfect for family gatherings. The master bedroom is a serene retreat, with a king-size bed framed by antique French headboards, a walk-in closet with custom shelving for suits and ties, and a spa-like ensuite bathroom featuring a freestanding marble tub and rain shower. Outside, the lush backyard offers a manicured lawn, a stone patio with a built-in grill station, and a saltwater infinity pool. The garden, curated by Evelyn, showcases vibrant blooms and a charming pergola for quiet evenings. The piece de resistance is the detached studio in the backyard, a creative haven where Colbert crafts ideas, complete with state-of-the-art recording equipment, a writer's desk, and an eclectic collection of memorabilia from his career. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.